Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can sign in on Steam mobile app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your Steam mobile app, go ahead, enter your Steam account name, and go ahead, type in your password that you remember and tap on sign in. But in case you're facing some kind of difficulties with that, you're going to tap on this option of I need help signing in. It will simply redirect you to your browser. Here you can see I forgot my Steam account name or password. We're going to tap in that. We're going to enter our email address and we're going to tap on search. Simply fill this up, tap on verify, tap on search. We tap on that and now we will be receiving an email right over here. You can see a resume recovery. We're going to do that. We're going to choose an option and I'm going to be selecting the account that I want to recover. Reset my password. I'm going to enter a new password and tap on change password. Save. Now the password has been changed and we're done. We're going to cross this out. I'm going to go back and open my Steam app, enter my account name, my password, and I'm going to tap on sign in and we're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in our next video.